What if I told you that a simple AI tool requiring zero tech skills could earn you $650 a day from home? Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's very real, and I'm about to break it down for you step by step. Thousands are chasing passive income, but most hit a wall. Complicated skills, expensive tools, or schemes that just don't work. But I discovered an AI side hustle so powerful it blew my mind. No coding, no investment, and you can start today. So what's the secret? It's using AI-generated content with affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. Use ChatGPT or InVideo AI to generate engaging YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. Pick hot trending niches like fitness, finance, or gadgets. Plug in your affiliate link to products on Amazon, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Post daily and let automation work its magic. One video I posted using this method went viral, over 500K views in a week, and brought in $3,200 in affiliate commissions. No ad spend, no face on camera, no fancy gear, all thanks to AI and consistency. Want to start? Here's your quick start guide. Step 1. Pick a niche you enjoy. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write short scripts. Step 3. Use InVideo AI to create dynamic videos. Step 4. Sign up for an affiliate platform. Step 5. Post one video daily for 30 days. Repeat. Track. Optimize. AI is changing the game. The question is, will you watch others win, or will you take action? If this inspired you, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI money hacks, and drop a comment if you're ready to try this out. Share this with a friend who needs a side hustle today.